If you're wondering how to add a former employee back in Xero, you're in the right place. Whether it's for tax purposes, reporting, or to update their details, I'll walk you through how to easily add them back in your Xero account. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have the steps down and feel confident in using this software for all your payroll and HR needs. Now, before we jump in, I want to let you know that you can try out Xero for completely free. There's a link in the description below where you can access an exclusive bonus, so be sure to check it out. This will give you the chance to explore the software and discover how it can make managing your business finances a breeze. Okay, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account and head to the payroll section. If you've already set up payroll in your organization, you'll find this option in the main navigation menu. Once you're there, look for the Employees tab. This is where you manage all your employees, both current and past. To add a former employee back, click on Add Employee. From here, you'll be asked to enter some basic details like the employee's full name, email address, and job title. If they were previously a part of your team, their information may still be in Xero's system, but you might need to update or confirm their details before proceeding. Don't worry. This process will ensure that everything is up to date, including their tax information and any payments owed. Next, you'll need to set up the employee's pay details. If this former employee had a payroll profile before, you should see their previous pay settings. If not, you'll need to manually input their salary, hourly rate, or any other pay frequency adjustments. Xero makes this part straightforward, and it'll guide you step by step. One of the most important things to consider when adding a former employee back in Xero is ensuring their leave balances are correct. If they took paid leave during their previous employment, you'll want to verify that everything is accounted for. Xero will help you manage these leave balances, so be sure to check if the balance is still showing correctly for the time they were employed. Once you've input all the necessary information, you can add any additional details, like tax codes or superannuation contributions if applicable. If you're unsure about any of these settings, Xero provides in-app help that can guide you through tax codes, reporting, and compliance issues to ensure you're doing everything correctly. Finally, after you've double-checked everything, hit Save, and the employee will be added back into your payroll system. From this point, you can generate payslips, process payments, or create reports related to this employee as needed. I know it can feel like a lot, but adding a former employee back in Xero is really that simple. The software is designed to make payroll management as easy as possible, and by following these steps, you can ensure everything is set up smoothly. To wrap things up, remember that you can use Xero for free right now with the exclusive link in the description below. You'll get an extended free trial that'll help you get started, whether you're managing payroll for one employee or hundreds. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out the other resources linked in the description. We've got everything you need to get the most out of Xero and take control of your business finances. Thanks for watching.